The Khanapara National Awakening Movement (KHNAM) on Wednesday has urged the KHADC to rename Khanapara into a local Khasi name. Talking to reporters after meeting with the KHADC CEM Panyat Singh Saim, Khnam Working President Thomas A. Pasa said that they have stressed to the council that it should be renamed Khanapara, which is one of the area located along the interstate boundary with Assam. According to him, renaming of this place is critical if the state is stalking its claim that this particular area falls under Meghalaya. He said that they will officially write to the KHADC CEM on this matter shortly.
Daiban penkala kerteng no ya kaneka Khanapara sya kerteng Khasi. Pirma teng ngia keren upur usaha no maka kerteng la dai lupa kerteng barjela te kae bang ngin kamtrai ya ketika jaka. Na kata-kata no kalian ngajongi yang ba ai no da kentin Khasi ya kene Khanapara. Khnang ba kan scam kata kajing long kentin ngajongi ya naka ya lo jong purusam mana hak ba de ba kene bentang ba pada mila da bang bagin sa ai da jing tho sha CM bat ila kerpat ba le sila da don kono suggestion ka kerteng ka bukum no min ai na ngin saya perkan